join me with AI expert James Longbottom from Pro AI. So it's Soren from Studio Soren talking about UX and UI, and how you can learn about being ready for the future of your business using AI technology. It's really important to make sure you can save time, money, improve processes, and make a difference to make more profit. Come and join us. All the details are below.